It's possible. Realtek Co. Limited. An accident witnessed before our eyes. Realtek Co. Limited is here to be your innovative lighting solution. The remote lighting lifter of Realtek is a safe product developed for the maintenance of lighting equipment on high ceilings, CCTVs, smoke detectors, speakers, PR materials, and so on. Instead of climbing up to high places with a risk of falling, it is possible to work on the ground level. The power is automatically cut off during maintenance to prevent electrical accidents. This shortens the maintenance time and allows for immediate inspection if required. As it does not require high-priced equipment, labor and energy costs will be saved. The loss from ceasing operations will be minimized. The remote lighting lifter ascends and descends the lights and controls individual, group, pole lightings. The auto-stop function makes the work easier by setting the proper height for the user. Smart technology of Realtek. The compact type is a preferred solution for lightweight lightings. It is small, easy to install, and economical. The hookup type is the most used universal lifter for loads from 18 up to 25 kilograms. The heavy-duty type is for medium-load lighting equipment such as chandeliers. The super heavy-duty type is suitable for 100 to 1500 kilogram loads of light fittings in banquet halls or exhibitions. The link type is suitable for ascending and descending power socket outlets, and it is easy to install and operate. The smoke detector type is the advanced ascending-descending system for the places where routine inspection is carried out every year. The batten type raises and lowers banners, flags, or promotional placards while remaining horizontal. Multi-contact models are used when additional circuits are required, such as CCTVs, speakers, DALI, or multi-sided lightings, which should be connected in a fixed direction. Realtek's new product, Lifter and 200 LED, unveiled. Lifter and 200 LED is an advanced concept LED lighting system fitted with an ascending-descending device. Through two-way communication between the LED and the remote controller, not even maintenance necessities are identified, but also the usage time. Dimming steps and internal temperature can be checked. When experiencing problems with the converter or the fans, the automatic maintenance alarm will beep, which is quite different from existing products. The occupancy sensor extends the lifespan of the LED and reduces costs by saving energy. Overheating is a problem with LED lighting and can seriously reduce the life cycle of the components. With the inclusion of an onboard lifelong fan cooling system, overheating as well as maintenance costs are reduced. The grill lifter raises and lowers ceiling air conditioning filters to clean the system safely and conveniently, which is already widely used. The technology that nobody can imitate. This is the pride of Realtek. As Realtek's products balance weight, it is very simple to install. Also, the construction method suitable for various ceiling structures was developed and applied for more convenient and safe installation. company that makes people a priority. The company whose ideas become a reality. Spread your dream with Realtek to the world beyond Korea. Another name of success, Realtek Co. Limited.